Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth session of GDSC Banasthali Vidyapith GitHub Bootcamp. This is Diksha, one of the team member of GDSC Banasthali Vidyapith. First of all, thank you all for joining in this session. And if you are someone who's attending a GDSC event for the very first time, so let me tell you about the super awesome communities. Google Developer Student Clubs are the college communities which are led and run by college students, where we all collaborate and build solutions for real world problems. So with this, let's begin the session. GDSC Banasthali Vidyapith has conducted all these sessions for you, and we have one more session lined up for tomorrow. And if you are someone who's attending this session from the beginning, then I assure you that after attending all these sessions, you are ready to rock in the world of open source. Okay. So till now, you have attended all the sessions, you learned that what is Git, what is GitHub, you learned about various commands. But the question at the moment in your head will be that how can I search for organizations, or how can I search for repositories or issues where I can contribute? Because just you can be someone that I know only C++. So how can I contribute using my language with C++? Or you can say that since I'm new in the world of open source, so how I can't jump into the complex issues. So how can I find the issues which are beginner friendly, that is which are easy to solve as a beginner? So I'm answering all these questions of yours in this session. Stay tuned till the last of the video, and after this, you will be clear with all these confusions. Okay, so first what we will see is that how to search for organizations where I can contribute. So for this, what you need to do is that you have to go on your browser. You can do this along with me on your system. Now you can type in Google Summer of Code. This is a website, just a website. Here we can find organizations according to a tech stack we deal in. So just click on Google Summer of Code website. You can click here. Okay. So here you have to go on organizations tab. Now here you can search for organizations according to the skills like JavaScript. So you can type JavaScript. So what it will do is, I think, so I think there is some typo. JavaScript. Okay, so these are the organizations which deals in JavaScript. In these organizations, you can contribute with JavaScript. So let's open them. Let's open About Code. This is an organization. So you can see card for each organization on this website. You can see technologies in which they deal, like Python, Django, JavaScript, Postgres. Now listen, there is a point here. What generally people do is that they assume कि मुझे सारी technologies आनी चाहिए, ये वाली, only then I'll be able to contribute. But things do not work this way. See, JavaScript, you can contribute in the module that is dealing in JavaScript. After that, you keep contributing, you grow, and you can learn all these skills while contributing. So with this, what happens is that you are growing and you are gaining the skills along with your contribution. So never assume that you need to know everything before start contributing. Okay, so what now we have to do is that click on Learn More and See Projects. So the GSOC website has made card for each organization on its website like this. See, you can see all the info. You can read about that what this company does, and you can find more info about the organization like this. Okay, so now see, technologies are mentioned here. Another cool feature here is that you can click on this mailing list. So what this mailing list is, that suppose you want to contribute in the organization and you are new in the world of open source, so you can get stuck that with whom should I contact. Like कभी-कभी ऐसे issues होते हैं जिनमें we need clarification. So for this, we can go on these groups and we can chat with them. We can say that, hey, I want to contribute in your organization and I am, getting stuck at this point. So could you please help me? Believe me, these people are really helpful. They want you to contribute in the organization. They'll help you for sure. So you can use mailing list for this purpose. The next thing we want to say in this card is this view idea list. Click on this. So here it will take you to GitHub where their repo present is. Okay, So यहाँ पे you can find all the instructions, all their table of contents and all these things. So here you can click on this issues tab. See, इश्यूज टैब में क्या होता है कि जो भी उनको इश्यूज आ रहे हैं ना उनके रेपो में या उनके प्रोजेक्ट में, वो सारे इश्यूज वो लोग यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन सेलेक्ट द इशू in which you wants to contribute. Like one of the issues is, you know, ऐसे labels भी होते हैं, like this is a label of documentation, that means that is this issue is related to something which is related to documentation, or so this issue is related to enhancement. So like you are beginner, so you can, what you can do is that you can, you know, decided to contribute in this issue, so you can just click on that. ओके, सो सबसे पहले क्या होता है इशू पेज में कि वो डिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं, लाइक कि ये इशू है क्या और इसमें कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो लाइक इन्होंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बता दिया. यू कैन क्लिक ऑन हियर कि अभी ये इशू है क्या, और वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बता देंगे कि कहाँ तुमको करना है. ओके, सो अब व्हाट यू विल डू इज दैट यू हैव टू टाइप इन हियर. जस्ट बाकी लोगों ने भी टाइप किया ना कि दैट दे वांट दिस अपडेट, दिस क्लैरिफिकेशन एंड things like this. So what you can do is on your own GitHub you can type a comment here that like, hey, I want to, like you can type in here that hey, I want to work on this issue and I am new to open source, so could you please help me, or you can type that could you please assign this issue to me. So they will assign you this issue, and after that you can just comment on this, and after that you can start working on the issue. Okay, so this is how you can select organization and start contributing. So this is one of the way, that is कि हमने Google Summer of Code की website को use कर लिया and we find the organizations. ठीक है. Second thing is that you can directly make use of GitHub. So what you can do is कि आप डायरेक्टली GitHub पे जाके ही रेपो या फिर कोई इशू फाइंड कर लो. So what you can do is कि GitHub टाइप करो, and in our previous sessions we have told you that how to make an account on GitHub, so I am assuming that all of you are having an account on GitHub. So just click on there here. Okay, so this is the, since I'm having already an account on GitHub, so this page comes up for me. Okay, so what we have to do is here that we can find repositories according to the tech stack we are dealing in. Like I want to see repositories where I can contribute with JavaScript or where I can contribute with C++. So for this, we have to click on this Explore tab. Click on here. This is the feature provided by GitHub where it sorts the repositories according to your requirements. Here GitHub has shown me the repositories according to my own interest. Okay, so here also you can see that on trending tab you can see repositories which are trending these days. Yeah, you can see who are receiving more stars, or more people are seeing these repos, like in every other social media app. Okay, so here what you can do is that you can sort them on the basis of the language. Suppose I want to contribute with HTML, so I can just type in HTML and just press hit enter button. So it will sort. So all these are repositories in which you can contribute with HTML. Like in this repo, I want to contribute, so I just click on this repo and it will open up for me. Okay, so I come on this repository, and there if you want to contribute, you have to go on issues section, and here you can see that the issue which are open for you. Suppose you want to contribute on it, you can click on it, and here you can read the issue, and you can just type in that here, please assign this issue to me, please assign, and so on, like we see previously. Okay, so you learned that how to find organizations, and you learned that how to find repos on GitHub itself. Now I am going to share one more way, which is not much popular among the people because very less people know about it. So for that you have to click on this issues tab. Just click on this issues tab, and here in this box you can search for issues which are present in all the repositories which are present all over the GitHub. मतलब इसमें ऐसा होता है कि आपको ना रेपोजिटरीज पे नहीं जाना पड़ेगा इशू सर्च करने के लिए कि आप रेपोजिटरी पे जाएं, फिर वहां से इशू सेक्शन में जाएं और तब आपको इशू मिले. यहाँ होगा ये कि आपके बेसिस, आपके टेक स्टैक के बेसिस पे ऑल द इशूज विल बी, यू नो, विल कम हियर अकॉर्डिंग टू द व्हाटएवर लैंग्वेज वो सर्चिंग फॉर. वो किसी भी रेपो में हो सकते हैं इश्यूज, बट वो यहाँ दे विल लाइन अप हियर. ओके, सो आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर इश्यूज विच आर ओपन करेंटली. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस इन की वैल्यू पेयर like is open. So show me the issues which are currently open. Just hit enter. So GitHub will show us the issues which are currently open to work. Okay, so all these are issues on which you can work. Like this issue is related to, you are seeing the label that this issue is related to front end. So you can click on it and you can see what this issue is. So we came here and you can see many people are working on this. And if you want, you can write that, hey, I want to work on it. And if your solution seems good to them, they'll assign this issue to you and you can start working. Okay. Now, one more thing I want to show you is that I want an issue which is beginner friendly. So I'll say label first issue. Click enter. Now you must be thinking that what this term good first issue is. So जो भी लोग open source में new होते हैं, so they want to get issues which are easily solvable. अभी directly हम complex issue में नहीं jump कर पाएंगे ना, because we are new. So जब repositories पे लोग issues बनाते हैं, they put a label there that this is a good first issue. That means कि beginner भी इसको solve कर सकते हैं. So you are beginner, you can search issue in this way, and you are saying that these all are good first issues. You can contribute in any of them very easily. Like I want to contribute in this issue. So I just go on this issue. See, the इससे फायदा क्या है that we don't need to go on repos and then click issues there. You are searching issues directly with this. So that's the cool way, and I prefer this way to contribute. So here you can see what the issue is, that image elements do not have explicit width and height. See, इसमें अगर you are beginner in CSS, मतलब थोड़ा भी CSS पढ़ा है ना, तो तुम इसको आराम से कर सकते हो इस issue को. So that's why it is marked as good first issue. Up now they have provided description that is your feature request. Someone has asked or someone has commented he wants some clarification in this issue, and you can also comment in the same way in your this comment box, okay, and can get clarification and can start working on that issue. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you is that you can search issue in this way also, that I want to work on issues which can be solved with C++. So you can write language C++. See, now these issues are related to the C++ language. So we have sorted the issues with these way, that I want issues which are open, then those issues should be beginner friendly, and those issues should be solvable with the C++ language. So this is how you can get issues and you can start contributing. So you can see different types of labels here, like difficulty easy, good first issues, or this issue is something about bug, and this issue is related to enhancement. So super easy it is. So I think you should good enough to go with solving the issues now. And these are the 3 ways in which you can search for issues. That is, one is you can go for organizations on the Google Summer of Code website. You can search repositories by using the Explore tab of GitHub. You can search directly for issues. You don't care whichever repository it belongs to, and you can start contributing like this. And I've shared all the way. So that's all for today's session. If you are someone who has registered for 30 days of Google Cloud, then there is an update for you. GDSC Banasthali Vidyapith will be organizing sessions on every Tuesday, 9 a.m. in the morning. You can attend those sessions, can learn, can complete your labs, and can make these tracks yours. Okay, so now I just want to share a small thing, that please start contributing on your own. Only then you will be able to learn. You can't learn without contributing. You can start by contributing in the repo of Banasthali Vidyapith, that is code Crossroad. Go there and start contributing. Only then you will be able to learn and can deal with complex issues and can make your contribution in some big organizations. And stay tuned to all our social media handles so that you can be updated with all the upcoming opportunities. Thank you for attending this session. Bye bye.